These emaciated cows are a reminder that things may just slip back to how they were in the 1983 to 85 drought, maybe even worse. The Food and Agricultural Organization is now appealing for urgent food aid for people in Ethiopia as the country now faces the worst drought in 50 years. The devastating drought sparked by the worst El Niño in records has driven Ethiopia to an alarming state of food insecurity and malnutrition. Water and animal feed are scarce in most parts of the country, leading to crop failures and widespread livestock deaths. And though there's been some help, the herders say it's barely enough.
I lost 25 goats. We lost most of our cattle. We received animal feed and hay. Some of our animals were saved because of this support. But this is not enough, and we need more animal feed support to save our remaining animals.
Shortage of clean water is also posing a threat to human health. People are now forced to drink water from the same pond as their animals.
This is dirty water and people are drinking it. So it's not only going to affect their lives, but the diseases that goes along with it, because they are drinking water from the same pond where animals defecate, where animals are drinking. So our appeal to the international community is to support development organizations like FAO, to be able to provide safe drinking water, to be able to provide water for the animals, to be able to provide water for the crops, so that people will have a decent life. This is a catastrophe.
The FAO is urgently appealing for $13 million by the end of March for seed support, both food crop and forage seed. This is to enable them to provide survival feed to livestock-dependent households, as well as continuing their work to provide safe and separate water resources for both animals and people. Leslie Mirungu, CCTV.